October 15th, 6:30 p.m.
What are you doing?
Women's rights in the upcoming
What are you
election
eating?
with speakers Representative Lori
Olive,
Goldman,
can you tell
Dana
Mommy what you're
Reed,
eating?
and Jessica Blackman at Compass.
What
in
is
New
that?
York. Compass, GLCC.com.
What are they?
Teen
Can you
life
tell
skills
Mommy?
Workshops presented at 6 p.m.
Yep.
every last Tuesday
Are they
of the
blueberries?
month through December at Mandan Public Library
You want
in
more?
West Palm Beach. Learn
Can you say please?
other life-saving skills.
What is it? Are they blueberries?
And the 2012
Can you say blueberries?
Say,
can you say blueberries? Can you say blueberries? Olive Grace. Hey. Can you say blueberries? Olive. Can you say blueberries? Let Mommy hear you say blueberries. Take that out of your mouth. Say blueberries. Take it out of your mouth. Say blueberries. Say blueberries. Olive. Can you say blueberries? Be careful with that spoon. Hey, are you eating blueberries? Let me see your hands. Show Mommy. Oh my goodness. Look at those hands. What color are they? Do you want more blueberries? Can you say please? Okay, bye.
Bye.